Hi, this is Joe McCall, Chamberlain Holdings, and I just wanted to give you a short little presentation here on how you can sell your house for top dollar without paying any commissions as a lease purchase. Quickly about us, Chamberlain Holdings, we've been around since 2005 doing the lease purchase business. You can look us up on the Better Business Bureau with an A rating, very proud of that, and we're members of the local O'Fallon Chamber of Commerce. Alright, so real quick, what is a lease purchase? Basically, lease purchase is leasing your home to somebody who wants to buy it. They may not have perfect credit now. Maybe they lost a job, they went through divorce, have medical bills, maybe they're self-employed. For some reason or another, they could not get a mortgage today. In a lease purchase, there's basically two documents, the lease and the option contract to buy the home. Usually it takes 1 to 2 years for our tenant buyers to get approved for a mortgage. During the lease option period, they work in a credit repair program with our mortgage broker. It usually takes 1 to 2 years. We see scores typically jump up 50 to 100 points. And again, we put them in that credit improvement program. So what are some of the advantages of doing a lease purchase? Number one, it works. We've been doing this for years. We do it with our own residential investment properties, our own personal residences that we've lived in. You have options. There are other ways to sell a home than the traditional route. Lease purchase is a great way to sell a home for full price without having to pay any commissions. And you get above market rents because of the high demand and low supply of these types of homes. You typically get above market rents. And because of the way we set up our program, you get on-time rents. You're going to get a tenant buyer who's going to treat the home like it's their own because they have more of a homeowner's mindset, and they're going to take care of all the maintenance and repairs. And our services cost you nothing. We get paid from the tenant buyer when we find one that you like. And our agreement has no obligation to you. So you can cancel at any time. If you sell the home or rent it out, or if your realtor sells it before we do, you can just cancel our agreement. You won't owe us anything. Some more of the benefits, it's going to give you some debt relief. How would you like someone else making your mortgage payments for you? You're not going to have to worry about landlord hassles or headaches anymore. You're going to have tenant buyers who have more of a home ownership mentality. They want to buy the home. We already have a ton of tenant buyers looking for homes in your neighborhood right now. So we already have the buyers. There's a strong demand for lease purchase homes, but a very low supply in the market today. We work closely with our mortgage broker who finds people for us that are very close to getting their mortgage, and then work with them during the lease option period to help them rebuild their credit. We also offer consulting, where if you want to do this yourself, you can hire us as a consultant. We can tell you how to do the lease purchase yourself. Bottom line, we can save you money and sell your house faster. So some frequently asked questions real quick. What type of agreement do we sign with you? It's a simple document on our website you can sign and fill out. It's an option agreement. It's not a listing agreement. We are not realtors. It's just an option agreement that gives us permission to advertise the property. Who collects the rent? You do. You get 100% of the rent every month. We don't collect any portion of the rent. We're not a property management company. You collect the rent every month. How do we get paid? We get paid from the tenant buyer. Again, when we find a tenant buyer that our mortgage broker likes, that you approve, we collect our fee from the tenant buyer and we add it to the option price, to the price of the home that you tell us that you want. What is our marketing plan? Very simple. We first get your permission to market the home. You email us some pictures, and we immediately send it out to our buyers list to see if anybody in our list is already interested in the home. And then we add it to our website. We market it on over 15, 20 different websites. Typically it takes us 2 to 4 weeks to find a good quality tenant buyer. If it takes us any longer than that, something's probably wrong. Either the home's in not a good area, the rent is too high, it's just not working out. But typically we can find a good tenant buyer in 2 to 4 weeks. Is this for real? Well, yes it is. Some people tell us, look, this just sounds too good to be true. But listen, this is for real. So how do you get started? You want to get started right now? Great. Go to our website, renttoowncorp.com. You can fill out and sign our agreement online. Go to the sellers section, and there's a section that says Get Started Now. But listen, I want to thank you. Call us if you have any questions. I'm Joe McCall, my partner Tom Martin. The company's Chamberlain Holdings, and our website again is renttoowncorp.com, and our phone number is 954-667-9110. Look forward to working with you. Take care.